And then, of course, we have a special guest who's here tonight watching. Can we all call on Miss Karil? Yay!
Yay!
Come
Would
here.
you like to join us? Come and join us.
And join us.
Let's join us.
Let's join us.
Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng D&D guitar ko. Ay,
Sige, dito ka na lang. Hi! Hi!
Ako yung nag-cameraman kanina, kaya magulo yung shots ng konti. Okay na. Joke lang.
So, thank you for coming. Thank you. Sana nag-enjoy ka.
Yes.
kakanta ka ba?
No.
Oo
Kanina
nga
pa ako
eh.
kumakanta dun.
Hindi, pero ngayon, isa pa. Ano,
Isa pa! One last!
Ha?
Ayun na yung anong ko eh.
Ulitin.
Ay, gusto kong tayo. More than words. Ang bahala.
Intro lang.
Oh, intro lang. Oh, arms, oh. Pwede mo rin gawin, shooby-doo.
Bagay sa akin yan.
Bagay ka, lahat bagay.
Yeah.
Ah, pwede shooby-doo, wapong shooby-snacks. Kaya ganyan, ah.
Ah.
Tsaka lahat bagay lalo pag tinutugtog ko with my D&D guitar.
Ang galing
Sobrang ganda,
sumexy.
by the way. Tapos ang nipis pa, so madaling-dalin kahit saan. Tapos alam mo yun, parang
Parehas nga
feels
pala
like an
kami.
electric guitar. Oh, pagkapareho kami ng guitar.
Yes.
Courtesy of D&D guitars.
Yes.
Really nice. And they're like, parang kumbaga naka-diet, di ba?
Oo nga eh.
Oo naman,
Sobrang
no?
gaang eh.
Diba? So, relaxing,
Kahit baga,
comfortable.
Malakas.
No, ganda pa na, tapos nag-resonate talaga yung sound niya eh.
galing.
Grabe, tignan mo, parang, alam mo? Oo, parang, talo yung mga ibang guitars, so parang,
Parang hina eh.
Oh, ito. Sige,
Fender, diba?
Fender yan, di ba? Pero sige.
Hina.
Oh, pero ito, pakita na, parang,
What? May built-in castanet. By some miracle.
oh, may built-in pa na shaker. Oh, tiyan mo.
Yeah.
Oh! Sandali lang! Merong nag-request.
Ay.
Crazy for you! Ayan! I'm sure Karel. Pwede?
Malibar sa
Oo?
amin.
Oo, sige na.
Gawa tayong duet.
Oo,
Duet.
Duet.
Combo.
Oh, combo
Soloist.
duet.
Sige.
Siya yung katabi ko kanina eh.
Oo nga. Oo. Hindi kasi may nakaharang na monitor, hindi ko
Hindi ko
napansin.
nag-chat sila, tapos nagka-call ng shots.
Ayun, galing.
O, diba? Galing.
Tapos nagka-camera pa.
Oh, saan ka pa?
Tapos ano pa, soundman.
What
Oh,
what
all
more can
around.
you ask for more?
One man show.
What more can you ask for more? Okay. Game, okay lang ba?
Anong kanta? Ano yun nga?
Crazy for you?
Alam mo ba yung kantang yun? Gawa yun nung si kumparing Madons. Madons!
Madons!
Si Madons! Ano, gawin natin yung ano? Paano to? Discard natin arms.
Yung alam lang natin.
Oh, shaker agad.
One!
A one, a two.
Gosh, go 1, 2, 3, 4 ka, kakabit ka pa ng hair clip. Hair clip.
Kunwari lang.
Safety pin.
Kunwari lang maalam
Per
mo.
dibs. Per dibs!
For dibs.
Ano? Ano ta? Ano ta?
Ayun, ang taas ang boses.
Wow! Ayan ang duet.
Survive. You were searching for a place to hide. Yahay! Ay, future MYMP.
Oy!
Gusto mo mag-Spice Girls or some 90s pop? Ano?
Hindi yung chords nun eh.
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Parang ano nga eh.
I love me, say that you love me. Ano, time is running. Time is running.
Oo nga, time is running nga pala. Sorry.
Kayo na lang kasi.
Hindi.
Makikisali lang ako.
Ayan.
Sige.
Gusto mag-Alanis,
Jumujulanis Morissette. Alam mo, ang galing nun ng Jumujulanis Morissette is Gailing Go For It's Raining. Tapos di ba may kanta siya na, it's like rain. So parang nagme-make sense. Tapos Alanis. So parang double hit combo. Galing, no?
Ang galing.
Galing, Jumujulanis Morissette. Ano yun?
Masyado siya maraming alam sa gailing.
Oo nga eh. Parang
Ano yun?
napapaghalata.
With ako Makagora Akets kasi Jumujulanis Morissette ng Sever. I learned from the best. The best! Okay. Nacho Libre.
Hindi naman
Best
to
movie
whole
ever.
song, no?
Ay, whole song ba?
Hindi naman.
Ah.
Kahit na sa gitna.
Sige.
Second voice.
But you've already paid goodbyes. They just didn't take. And who would have thought you figured? Same. Was afraid to fly back to school. Kissed his kids goodbye.
Don't you think?
Ironic. Last chorus to, no? Yeah, I really do think. It's like rain on your wedding day. Free ride, but they've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. Who would have thought it figures? That was thought it figures.
A new ending.
Yay! Yay! Okay, so with that, our show has come to an end. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed.
Of course we did. It's very fun here.
Talaga.
Very, very fun. Thank you for having us. Sobrang saya for having us.
Thank you for coming. And also, thank you sa mga viewers, sa chatters. Thank you all for supporting. Thank you all. I hope you guys enjoyed. So, my name is Ashley Gosling-Bell. This is Sponge Cola and Karil.
I'm sorry, di ako prepared.
Okay lang.
Hi,
Beautiful.
everyone.
Hi everyone. Bye everyone. Good night. So this is
When it's late at night
Ashley's playlist.
and I'm feeling down, with a couple to do.